Hey everyone, it is me, Omega, and today we are unboxing this two Hot Wheels cars. First up, we are unboxing this Hot Wheels new for 2023 is Volvo XC40 Recharge from Mud Studs, lime green with lime green and dark green stripe with dark green trees. 5.5 with 200 watt out of 250, and this is a Swedish SUV from Sweden. Born 2017, Gent, Belgium, designer Volvo. Throw your snowboard on the roof rack and head to the slopes in this modified small electric SUV that features beefy off-road tires, custom-fit fenders, and glaring spotlights. And there's a Volvo trademark. Okay, let's unbox this SUV. The code says S23. That's the code. Let's review this. Front, we have bull bar, driver's side, rear, and passenger side, and the roof with roof rack. And that is cool, and that is a good looking car. Let's unbox this Hot Wheels a recolor of 1986 Ford Thunderbird Pro Stock with maroon, orange, yellow, and black stripe, and white stripe with white wheels from SW drag strip for 10 with 107 out of 250. Get dragged into some racing fun with this off-the-track speedsters. There's a Ford Motor Company trademark. Okay, let's unbox this car. And the code says S22, that's the code. Let's review this. Front, we have no detail, driver's side, rear, and passenger side, and the roof. And that is cool, and that is a good looking car. Okay, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.